Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and I'm here with Dan Reutter from U-POL. Today's video will be the second of a three-part series that covers how to perform a complete repair with U-POL's line of fillers, glazes, and coatings. The first part of this series demonstrated how to properly prepare a surface with U-POL Lightweight Gold Body Filler and Dolphin Ultra Fine Finishing Glaze. Thanks for being here today, Dan. Which products are we covering in this segment?
Thanks for having me today, Jason. Today, I'd like to discuss our System 20 Primer. System 20 Primer and Clearcoats utilize the same set of hardeners, so it's extremely easy system to use. U-POL System 20 Primer is available in white, black, and gray, and it can be mixed to achieve a gray shades, creating the optimal undercoat for your base coat. Our System 20 High Build Primer offers functionality of 3 products in one, depending on how they're mixed. Mix 4:1 for a primer filler, 4:1:1 for a primer surfacer, and 4:1:2 as a primer sealer. System 20 High Build Primer can be used for spot repair or large panels. Features excellent build and surface leveling properties. It's easy to sand, either wet or dry, and it can be applied directly to metal, over most plastics, over unsanded e-coat, or properly prepared aluminum and galvanized substrates. It's tinnable up to 10% with a urethane mixing base, and it's available in both national rule and low VOC formulations in both gallon and quart sizes.
That sounds like a really useful product.
Yep. Then I'll conclude this segment by spraying color. While most shops will spray color with conventional spray equipment, I'm also going to end the second part of the series by showing how you can apply color using our custom can fill center.
All right, sounds great. Shall we get started?
Yep, let's go.
First, I'll clean and degrease the surface with Wipe 6 to remove any dirt, oil, grease, wax, or any contaminants from the repair area. In this application, I'll apply our System 20 Primer as a primer surfacer, so I'll mix my primer at a 4:1:1 mix ratio. Once mixed, I'll attach the paint cup onto my 1.7-inch VLP gun and apply 1 to 2 coats of our gray high build primer with a 10-minute flash time in between coats. After the primer has dried, I'm ready to spray my color. Next, I'll dry sand with 500 grit sandpaper, then I'll blow off the sanding dust and re-clean with Wipe 6. As covered in a different segment, U-POL offers the Fill 1 pneumatic custom can machine, which is compatible with both solvent-based and waterborne paints. I'll begin by shaking the UP0851 Fill 1 can for 2 minutes to mix our base coat. Next, I'll spray 1 to 2 coats at 4 to 6 inches from the surface. Be sure to follow the paint manufacturer's instructions for proper dry times. Check out segment 3 of the series, which will show the final step of this repair, the application of U-POL System 20 Clearcoat.
Dan, thanks again for the demonstration today. Where can people go for more information?
No problem, Jason. You can visit u-pol.com to learn more about our products.
Okay, thank you. Today was the second of a three-part series on how to perform a complete repair with U-POL products. This segment focused on the application of U-POL's System 20 primers. Be sure to catch part 3 of this series for the final application of Clearcoat. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.